Well, it's time to go. We are going to be leaving Deniliquin, heading off to Perth. Another trip to Perth. Look at that load. It is a nice load. We've done pretty well done all of the checks. Everything strapped, chains, tyres, everything's good to go. It's going to be a bit of a hot trip. As I said, it's 42 degrees tomorrow or today. So let's get our load on the road, head over to WA, and now this time I'm going to show you a lot more of the roads as we go along. Something I don't normally do, but I'm going to start doing that because a lot of people have been requesting, to show the roads, the journey, and so we're going to be doing that for you. So anyway, enough chit chat. Let's get on the road and see what we can see. Sure, hope you're enjoying the trip from all the way from Melbourne, Denny, and right through to Perth. Here we are at Ceduna. Trip is going okay. 42 degrees yesterday, and the air conditioning failed. Oh, that is something you don't want to happen, but it did happen. I thought I knew what it was. It was just a hose. I knew the connection was leaking, so we went into the to try to get that fixed. But unfortunately, it actually was the clutch assembly itself. So. We did a bit of a dodgy fix for that just to get us to Perth. As I said, we're in Ceduna, and not a lot is happening around here at the moment. Alright, this is about 3 o'clock Perth time. We're in WA. It's time to go for us. Now, I thought I heard some other people, and around the corner here, there's a couple of other trucks you can see there lined up just to get off the road as far as they can. Everyone wants a bit of peace and quiet, although this guy's got his ice pack going. Some people use an ice pack for comfort. Not me, I prefer the quiet. Alright, all is going well, so let's get in and go. You see someone else coming off in the distance there. You might wait, let them go first. It's always good to use your high beam, and he's going to catch us too quickly now. everybody. So we're getting very close to Perth, and one of the requests that people wanted to hear is what the engine sounds like going up a big hill. So we are going to be going up a big hill. Now I can hear a 5.5 and an 8 metre up ahead, and they may be on the hill that I'm going to be climbing. So we're going to see how we go. I will show you the speed and the tacho, hopefully, if we can, as we're going up the hill. Yeah, so you'll be able to hear the engine and what happens when you go up a big steep hill. Oh, here's the oversized now.
Couple of 5.5, 5.8 metre there.
Right. Righto. So this is a bit of a bad. I want to keep this. I want to keep the speed up. I've still got some speed here, but yeah, not sure how we're going to go now. Alright, we are slowing down already, as you can see, down to 80. I'm going to be going down a full gear, so that'll bring it back to there. And here comes the oversized. Lucky we are in an overtaking lane, so I've got heaps of room. The fan's kicked in already. And we're down to 60. Now, once this gets down to 1300, which is now, I'm going to be going down a full gear again, and we'll keep going if you can. So we have dropped back the speed a fair bit, but not as much as I thought. I'm still got another full split to go before I even think about the low box. In fact, I'm only going to go this time just one split, because I think maybe I'll hold it. Okay, so those revs are reasonable, 1700. Not as heavy as I thought I'd be going up here. It gets a bit steeper here.
Couple of 5.5, so we're just the hill there, but
so as you can see, I think we're going to be holding it quite nicely on this hill. Now, just over the other side of this hill, we're going to be really. I'm going to be going slow in a low box. Well, this is unfortunate, but anyway, luckily we got heaps of room on this. I would not like to be behind them. Anyway, so we're nearly at the top of the hill. That's where I'm going to be dropping it back to hold it down, hold it slowly down the hill. Until I get about probably halfway, and then I'm going to be, well, probably let it go then. Alright, I'm going to drop another split. So now I'm probably in 15th, let's see, 16th, no, probably 14th. Okay, so when it comes to the engine brakes, I've got the engine brakes on high at the moment, so I think I should be having no problems down this hill. It's actually slowing me down in this gear, so I could actually drop it or go up another split. So those are the revs. Now, when it comes to engine and brakes, the higher the revs, the better. Now, I don't like to get it over 2,000. So, 1,800 is going to be probably 1,900 is probably going to be my max braking for engine brakes. But this is holding it nicely. I'm not touching the brakes or anything. So, basically, when you go downhill, you want to find the gear that's going to hold you without having to touch the brakes. Now sometimes that's going to be over 40. You can see the speed that I'm doing. Now this hill here doesn't have a speed limit. You know, you don't have to do 40. You basically do as fast as you want. Unfortunately though, we've got a some side tippers up in front of me which are which are going to be holding me up. But around the corner we can overtake, so I may drop it back down a full gear, which will get me around him. Okay, so I've just gone to full gear now, and hopefully I will get around this guy. Okay, as you can see now, I can overtake. Oh, you're joking, we've got more people coming, so I can't. So it's picked up a little bit of speed just because of the I put it into another gear, but really that's holding me at that speed now. I'm not touching the brakes. I'm going to touch the brakes now a little just to bring the revs down a little. Alright, now I just move over on the edge of the road because just to get these trucks around. Alright, the side tippers have taken off, so I can take off and we'll get it back up to the normal speed. Anyway, there you go. I hope you like that. Up and down the hill. We will concentrate back to driving again. Alright, here we are. I've dropped the dog anyway. I've backed the dolly into where the dollies go, and we'll just drop it at the ring feeder here, and I guess that'll be it. We'll park up for the night, and then tomorrow morning these reels behind us, we will deliver those, and then I'll deliver that container, and then the steel. That's it. I can have a little bit of a break. Alright, thanks for watching anyway. I don't think we'll show too much more, but we will see you in the next video.